Alright, so the pair that we're going to be looking at today is USD CHF, right? So what I want to highlight is this 1 hour point of interest that we have created here. Now, what I'm specifically looking at is this bearish move, this last bearish move before the push up, right? That is a good indication of where the banks came in. So what I'm going to do is grab the body of this, and a nice area to highlight is actually that 50% there, right? As you can see, I have a nice buy from that area where price came in and just tapped in, and we got a nice bullish reaction. So what I am looking to see is price come back into this area here and then potentially push back up. Similar to the first example, I'm looking to get another reaction off of that newly formed point of interest that we have there. And as we can see, price came in very, very nicely, mitigated off of 50% of that point of interest candle there and pushed up, right? So that is a nice bullish move up. I'm going to go ahead and take some of my partials, move my stop loss to break even to protect this trade. I will see you guys on the next one.